Hey guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. Thank you very much for joining with me. I always say that. Okay, today I'm gonna make a quick video. Quick one. And I'm gonna make sweet potato here, sweet potato brownie. And with my sweet potato, I want 2 cups of sweet potato. I hope this one give me 2 cups. And over here I have my almond butter. I have a 1/4 cup of almond butter and a 1/4 cup of butter. And I have this 1 cup of cocoa powder. And I'm going to use for my syrup, I have to use 1/2 cup of maple syrup. Okay, and on the top I'm going to do it with my walnut. Okay, so I'm going to peel my potato. My pot is on the fire with a pinch of salt, so I will be right back. I'm skillfully not gonna cut me. I'm gonna dice them like this. Put okay. Okay, I make my potato cook until it's tender. Then I will be remove them from the water. Okay, my potato is cool. I'm gonna mash my potato with the fork and see if I can get 2 cups from this. Okay, because I need 2 cups of potato. Okay, looking creamy and nice. You can put it in the blender if you want, but I like to do old-fashioned way, you know. But you can put it in the blender. All right, I'm gonna look if I get measure and see if I get the 2 cups from this. And the 1 potato couldn't give me the 2 cups. I have to add half more potato to it, so 1.5 potato, like a medium and a half. Is it a cup? Okay, a little left over. So this is 2 cups. Okay, all right. Okay, all my stuff here, I'm going to add it to my potato, my sweet potato. So this is the almond butter, 1/4 cup of almond butter, taking out everything from it, 1/4 cup of the peanut, okay, and the cocoa powder, 1 cup of cocoa powder, and I just kind of combine everything together. With my maple syrup. Here's my maple syrup, 1/2 cup of maple syrup. Okay. Right. My walnut, I'm gonna leave to go on the top. mean, this looking so good. You can put it in your blender. I like to go this way. All right, with my walnut, I'm gonna put some of my walnut inside here and some on the top. Yeah. Nice. Want the potato to mash out. Okay. Guys, I forgot to let you know that I did plan to do this chocolate chips, but I didn't remember. So I have a quarter cup of chocolate chips. I'm gonna put some in here. Yeah, optional, you know, if you want it, no problem. But I just put some chocolate chips here, and I'm gonna put some on the top with my walnut, I should say. Okay. It's gonna taste so good. Okay, I'm ready for my pot. Okay, so here's my baking tin. I put a piece of parchment paper. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in here. Ooh, yeah. It's swimming nice. Yes. You know, me take out everything out of my plate. Right, when me doing things, I don't waste it. I'm taking out everything from my plate. Okay, I just put it like this. A sweet potato brownie. Take it over the side here. Flatten it here. Okay, so here goes my walnut on the top. And my chocolate chips. Oh, this looking good. This looking good. And my walnut on the top with my chocolate chips. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the oven for like around 25 minutes. Okay, all right. Okay. Okay, guys, my brownie is finished. My sweet potato brownie is finished. Okay, I just took it out of the oven to cool for a while. Okay, guys, this is my finishing look. My sweet potato brownie. And there goes my topping. Okay, remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye from now. Wow, 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 look, look, look. Oh my gosh.